Happy 25 DIYs of Christmas! Welcome back, I'm Brooke Styles and I have a very special guest. My fiance. You haven't met Jake before. We've been together for a while. He's part of We The Seekers, which you'll probably also see on this account. Today we are crafting together because we're going to be in the workshop side, which is all what Jake is about. What are we doing? Do you know what we're doing?
Not really, you're going to show me.
We're going to make some stocking hangers today, really nice and simple, but we're going to give it with a semi-modern twist by using... You're right there.
Using what?
I haven't told you. I did a little DIY for a fireplace and you guys loved it, so I thought I would incorporate it into the Christmas series using old plastic animals, I guess. That's all they really are. They're kind of like a toy. And we're going to do it again, but with a Christmas twist. What you will need: your plastic animals, spray paint, PVA wood glue, a drill, a pencil, screws, hooks,
compass, combination square, tape measure, and some timber.
I think I need to try and express what we're actually doing right now. Do you have any pen and paper?
Yeah.
What I'm thinking is that we'll have like 2 bits of wood like that. A little animal sits up like here.
Yeah.
I don't know why I made it a stick man with ears. And then that hook will come off the side like that. So it will be able to like sit on the surface and then your stocking would hang. And then front view will be obviously a square. And then your hook would be here.
Do you want to put a curve on it?
Actually, I love that. Make this a curve. So this is a curve.
Yeah.
And that will give it like a real modern twist then too. And it's not like it's something standard that you'd see all the time if we have a curve.
Yeah.
I love it. We're on the same page?
Mm-hmm.
It's probably like 5 mil each side.
From where his trunk is?
Like from his like longest points. Now you put a line there and then put Mr. Giraffe there to make sure that doesn't look like ridiculous though with Mr. Giraffe.
Don't move it well.
No, that's fine. Not bad. Did you make it 200?
No. Not meant to. What's it supposed to be?
Well, it's not. That's what I was like. If it's not if it's supposed to be 200.
Okay.
96, 97. Half of 97.
197 divided by 2. 98.5.
That doesn't look sense to me.
Yeah, 'cause I said 98.5, which is here.
No, I thought you said 89.5.
I said 98.5.
Oh man, I'm having a dyslexic moment. Maybe you read it out wrong.
No, I didn't. So now that we have the circles drawn out, what do we do next?
Cut it out, I guess. What are you going to use for it? Pencil.
Alright, now that we've roughly got them cut out, we'll jump onto the sander and give them a sand. Smooth them off.
These are pretty much his 2 main big boy toys.
And my drill press when I get it.
When we get a new house.
Alright.
While Jake's still sanding, I'm going to spray paint the animals. This is my go-to. It's a paint and prime. Covers literally anything, plastics, metals. I always go for this brand. Finished sanding?
Now we are.
A little round edge on them. Not bad. Very good.
Now we need to glue and screw them together.
Yep.
And then put our hook on.
And paint.
Yep.
So why do you have to mark out for all those that are at home, probably going to recreate them by themselves? Why do you have to mark it out where you're putting the nails?
Well, this line here is so that when the screw goes into the timber, it's in the center, it's not on the edge, and we'll make it split. So that's the center. And these two are just so the screws are even. So sit it on a bit of old timber so you don't drill into your bench.
You don't want to do that.
And pre-drill your holes. And I will also use a countersink bit.
So everything's flush.
Yep, so when the screw heads go in, it's like it'll sit flush. Take your screw out first.
That's because...
You lost the lid.
No, I lost the
Brooke
lid.
lost the lid.
I don't know where I put it.
I think you would have left it on the bench and then Zala would have...
Yeah, a cat likes
Hit it off.
A cat likes to knock off things. We're going to paint it with Brooke Styles Pink, which is legit a colour I made. Colormans have this app that you can like scan colours and like create them. So yeah, this is the colour I made, which I pretty much paint on everything. So I should see if there's a way I can share it. That would be really cool.
Share the colour.
Share the colour.
Did you get a code?
Maybe. I'll suss that out for you. Thoughts?
I like them. They look really good.
They look really good.
No, I like them. Good idea.
Good
Well
idea. And reusable laughter for bookends. Thanks for joining both of us. Jake will be coming back very soon for another DIY. So look out for that one. I'll see you tomorrow for another DIY because we're continuing 25 DIYs of Christmas to count down. See you tomorrow.